Hey guys, how's it going? Well, as you can see here, it's actually snowing a little bit. Um, yeah, it's our first snowfall for 2020. So, um, I thought, why don't we try and cold start my car here, the 2009 Nissan Maxima. So, yeah, let's do it. Okay, that's good. Doors aren't frozen. All right. So, yeah, it's killing me to get snow in here. So I want this car to stay perfect. Alright, so here we go. Oh wow, it's 30 degrees out. Wow, it's cold. Well, I guess this car likes the cold because it started up no problem. Yeah. Let's see. Like, why don't we turn on the windshield wipers, see if those work? Yep, perfect. Alright, perfect. Yeah, guys, that was pretty cool actually. My very first cold start video in the snow of my car. Whoops. What the heck's going on here? Okay, yeah, this should be off now. So yeah, there's the video of me still cold starting the car. So I'm just gonna shut it off real quick. Alright, now I'm gonna go back inside because it's really cold. So thanks for watching.